was from this area.
There we are. And holy shit.
Captain Keys, radio in.
Wow.
Pick you up.
I can genuinely say that I don't think I've ever been as immersed in a game before as this. Looking up and actually seeing the rain fall like onto me, not just onto a character that I'm controlling. Holy shit, this is fantastic. The atmosphere as well is so creepy.
Plasma scoring?
It feels...
Yeah, I don't know.
It feels even more
Maybe there was
tactical as well, because I feel like I can
fire or something?
walk forward and, like, as you can see, look behind
What do
me.
we
as well.
have, Sergeant?
I mean, I know you can do that with the controller,
Like a
but...
Covenant patrol.
Damn.
KIA.
That
Real
is
pretty.
really, really cool.
Friend of yours?
So there's a shotgun there, but we're going to leave it for later on in the mission. And oh, here we go. Here's our first encounter. Ambience in the background. The ambience in the background feels so
Sergeant,
creepy.
we're surrounded. God damn it, Jenkins! Fire your weapons! There are too many,
Now I've got
Don't even
surround sound
think
headphones
about
and I'm
it.
actually surrounded in the game. It sounds even creepier. Here we go, boys.
Get
Here we
back
go.
here, Marine! That's an order!
These are infection forms
Jenkins!
actually flying at my face in VR, and I'm having to stare them down as they jump at me to try and move them. They're breaking through again. Oh my. This is nuts. Anybody with Oculus or a Vive, you have to try this. Like, seriously, you have to try this. They're actually having them jump at my face. Jesus. Jump at my face in VR is... Fucking Christ. I feel like I'm actually having to dodge them. You can probably see through my body movements, like in the real world. Not in the Foreign Research Facility, not in Installation 05, in the actual real world. Oh, the music! That never means anything good. Let's hit those guys with a grenade. Play these guys up really quick. Oh god. No, don't! Yeah, I really do feel like the ambience in this room is heightened 3,000 times by this.
Let's get some pussy tonight.